Guys, it's me again. Here I am with all my mowers and all of my 2-cycle equipment. Today is the day of the cold starts. Here, it goes in order from crappy to good to better. This is my Toro. This is my second Toro cycle. The one that I had got and I'm going to sell. It might look a little dirty. I gotta wash it before I sell it. I'm gonna sell it next spring. So, I've got time. So here we go. Never forget your hearing protection and your eye protection. Never want to forget those. Right now it's dirty. Ew.
Luck.
There, that's a little bit better. Okay, so for priming, we go one, two, 3. See if it goes in gas.
Smells like gas.
See if it starts. There's not that much gas. So, eye protection and ear protection. Never want to forget these. This is not going to start. It doesn't have any gas.
Should I go get the gas?
No. Go get it.
Okay.
Meanwhile, while we're getting the gas, let's look at our next mower. This one's a Murray, as you can see. We'll zoom in here. Can't really read it, but you can still. It's a Murray. It's got a Sprint 375 motor on it. And here comes our trusty assistance with the gas. The gas.
I'm the cameraman.
Shut up. I'm not going to put too much in here because, well, it's not going to run. That's good enough. For now.
Oh yeah, the Echo mine that I use is on like low on gas.
So we were putting back on the tap the cameraman. Let's prime it again because there wasn't any gas in there.
Okay. I'm his brother.
1, 2, 3. That's how much it says. That's how much I'm going to do. Ear protection. Ear protection. Prove it's a cold start. Here's the muffler. Nice and cold. Probably a few more times.
Sure do.
Flooded. I can't start it until it's flooded. The motor flood on me. Let it sit for a little bit and see if I can start later. It's also got a Tecumseh on it. Stupid thing. Now we're on to the Sprint. With the Murray on it.
Can I start it?
No. And prime it also 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Iron ear protection. Open a little bit.
That was funny.
My mower, my Toro Recycler, my 2009 Toro Recycler. It's cold. It's cold. This one does not have a primer button. It's got ready start. So I'll just hold it until it starts.
Come on.
No. Over there. Let's try. Let's try. This one always starts. Yeah. Just take it. This one. Hey.
Whoops. Another one of our famous sky views.
Not famous.
Well, it's random.
not going to start. Now on to our 2 cycles. My new steel trimmer hasn't been running since yesterday.
Come on, can I start it? Stefano got to start it.
It's cold.
Oh. Then it gets started. Yeah.
And see if it'll start. I believe it will. We give it 1, 2, 3 primes. Put it on choke. We lock the throttle and see if it will start. Until it dies.
What was that?
One ball. Well, that's when the gas.
One ball, people!
One ball. Okay, it runs great. Stopper. See if it will start.
Wait, you have to say it.
Yep.
You have to say it's running great again. It's running great again, you have to say it.
Huh?
You have to say it's running great again.
It was running great. Now on to the home light. You stupid piece of shit that broke. Okay, we put a full choke. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because that's what it says. Put on half choke.
What did he say?
And it dies. See? Bogged out. Died.
Well, was that on run or not?
It was on run. Yeah.
Ooh.
Bogged out on it. They don't run very good. They bog.
I'm his
Now on to
brother.
Husqvarna.
One-
Now on to my Husqvarna blower. This hasn't been running in a while either, so it's a cold start.
To make sure it's
Touching
not,
the muffler. It's nice and cold.
it's kind of blurry.
Let's see if this thing will start. 3 primes.
1, 2,
2,
3.
Choke.
Oh, I want you to make it go into full.
On choke.
A what?
That's down. One touch, it's off. Now on to this. The Echo. Give it 3 primes.
I get to use this one.
2, 3.
Come on, can I start this one?
Choke. Off choke. It might be a little smoky, but it runs very well.
Sean, I want to take off the bag and let people see it launch.
No.
Come on.
No.
You stink.
Well, there's my cold starts. Everything except for that other Toro. That thing freaking doesn't want to run today. I'll try another day, but bye.
I want to start it up on video.